Hello and welcome to day 15 of our Women Empowerment series. Today, we are celebrating the real life financial success stories of women who overcame challenges to achieve independence. These true stories show us that with courage, determination, and the right steps, financial freedom is possible for everyone. Let's dive into these remarkable journeys and draw inspiration for our own paths. Financial independence is about more than money. It's about freedom, self-respect, and the ability to shape your future. Today's stories are proof that success is not reserved for a select few. It's achievable for anyone willing to take that first step. We have story number 1. Falguni Nayar, building Nykaa from scratch. Falguni Nayar, the founder of Nykaa, is a perfect example of turning vision into reality. At the age of 50, Falguni Nayar left her high-profile job as an investment banker to start with her own beauty and wellness e-commerce platform. She began Nykaa in 2012 from her small office with limited resources but boundless determination. Today, Nykaa is a billion-dollar company and a household name in India. Her journey teaches us that it's never too late to chase your dreams. She says, "Don't be afraid to make a change. Follow your passion and success will follow." Another inspiring story is that of Vandana Luthra, who founded VLCC, one of India's largest wellness and beauty brands. Starting as a young mother with a passion for health and beauty, she opened her first wellness center in 1989. She faced challenges including societal skepticism about women in business, but her vision and persistence helped her overcome these hurdles. Today, VLCC is present in over 11 countries, employing thousands of people. Her journey reminds us to stay focused and believe in our abilities. She says, "Success comes when you are dedicated, disciplined, and patient." Kalpana Saroj, from poverty to entrepreneurial icon. Kalpana Saroj's story is nothing short of extraordinary. Born into a Dalit family in rural Maharashtra, she faced severe discrimination and hardships. Married off at the age of 12, she endured an abusive relationship and was forced to return to her parents' home. Despite societal stigma, she decided to rebuild her life. She started by working in a garment factory, saving every rupee to support her family. Eventually, she took a small government loan to start her first business, a furniture store. Over time, she expanded into real estate and manufacturing. She is now the chairperson of Kamani Tubes, a company she revived from bankruptcy to a thriving business. Her journey from poverty to becoming a Padma Shri awardee shows that grit and determination can overcome any obstacle. She says, "I turned my pain into power. Don't give up. Your circumstances don't define you, but your actions do." The journeys of Falguni Nayar, Vandana Luthra, and Kalpana Saroj teach us that financial independence is a powerful tool for personal and societal transformation. Here are some takeaways. Start where you are. No matter your age, resources, or background, it's never too late to begin. Be resilient. Challenges will come, but persistence will carry you through. Solve real problems. Success often comes from addressing genuine needs in the world. Seek knowledge. Educate yourself about finances, investments, or your chosen industry. Stay patient. Great things take time. Believe in the process and keep moving forward. Take a moment to think about your financial journey. Ask yourself, what steps can I take today to move closer to financial independence? Who can I look up to or learn from in my journey? Start small. Maybe it's creating a budget, saving consistently, or researching a business idea you have been passionate about. Every step you take is progress. Tomorrow, we will discuss the importance of mentorship and how building a strong support network can empower you to achieve your dreams. Thank you for joining me today. The stories of Falguni Nayar, Vandana Luthra, and Kalpana Saroj showed us that no dream is too big and no challenge is unbeatable. If they can do it, so can you. You have the power to create the life you want. Believe in yourself. Take that first step and never stop thriving. See you tomorrow. Thank you.